Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Hope fine. I am Tanjia Afrin, lecturer, Finance and Banking Department, Milestone College. Today my topic is Financial Analysis Chapter 4, and here I will show you to find out the break-even point and others. Here is a stem or a passage by which we can get some informations or different types of data by which we can find out different types of method of financial analysis. Here the step: Link Company is a pen manufacturing factory. It's a pen manufacturing factory. This is the unit here. The company name is Link Company. Its fixed cost is taka 10,000. 10,000 is fixed cost. Selling price of each pen is taka 50. It means per unit selling price of a pen is taka 50. And variable cost per pen is taka 25. This is the per unit variable cost or production cost. On the other hand, fixed cost of Good Luck Company is taka 20,000. This is the fixed cost of Good Luck Company. Selling price of each pen is taka 60 and variable cost is taka 30. This is the stem of financial analysis break-even point. Here the requirements are: A. Find out break-even point in unit of Link Company. It means only Link Company. And requirement number B. If both of the companies want to reach targeted profit of taka 1,000, it means target profit, expected profit, you can say that this is 1,000 taka for both companies. Then which company will have to sell more pen to reach the BEP, it means break-even point. So we know the two questions are all about the break-even point topics. First, we have to find out only the Link Company's break-even point in unit, and then by using target profit or expected profit, we have to find out the break-even point in unit of both companies. One is Link Company and another one is Good Luck Company. Now I am showing you how to solve it. Requirement A. First, I have to erase it. Number A. Find out the break-even point of Link Company. So, the break-even point of Link Company equals to the formula fixed cost divided by per unit selling price minus per unit variable cost, or we can say it production cost also. Here the formula of break-even point. Now I am putting all the values in formula. Fixed cost, from the stem we can write here that the fixed cost is 10,000 taka. Per unit selling price is taka 50, it means 50, and per unit variable cost is taka 25. So here 10,000 taka divided by 50 minus 25 equals to 25. And here the result is 400 unit. Obviously it's unit. So the requirements also fill up. That's the 400 unit is the break-even point of Link Company. The second requirement B, is we have to find out the expected sales unit of both company, then which one is more. So first we have to find out the expected sale unit of both company, and first I am finding out the link company's expected sale unit. In case of link company expected sales unit, the formula is fixed cost plus targeted profit or expected profit, same things, divided by per unit selling price minus per unit variable cost. From STEM we can get all the informations and then we will put it in this formula. The fixed cost was 10,000 plus targeted profit, that is 1,000, divided by per unit selling price 50 taka minus per unit variable cost is 25 taka. So here the result is 11,000 divided by 25, and the result is 440 unit or piece. Both are same, unit or same. 440 unit is the expected sale unit of link company. Now we have to find out the another company's expected sales unit. The another company is Good Luck Company of pen manufacturing. Here we can remove it and the formula is same, it remains same. Here we can say that in case of Good Luck Company, it's the name Good Luck Company. In case of Good Luck Company, the expected sales unit equals to same formula, but the value will change. Here fixed cost is 20,000 from the STEM plus targeted profit remaining same 1,000 divided by per unit selling price is 60 taka minus per unit variable cost or production cost is 30 taka. Here the result is 21,000 divided by 30, and the result is 700 unit. So we can see that the Good Luck Company's expected unit is more than Link Company. So you can here write that the comment is the expected unit of Good Luck Company is more than Link Company. This is the comment. For today, that's all, my dear students.